Okay, so this week for your at-home assignment, you need to design a t-shirt, and then once I compile and gather everyone's designs, we will vote on it as a class and order them. So you're going to want to go to Custom Ink. Perhaps you've made t-shirts before. Design Lab. You can start from scratch or create a design. It's totally up to you. But you're designing a t-shirt for us. So choose the product that you want to use, like what color you want the t-shirt to be. If you want to upload any like art or any different designs, add text. You guys have probably seen these t-shirts before. I've worn them, so it'll say something like Simile Yearbook, maybe the year, some sort of cool design, maybe incorporate our theme a little bit. But really, you can do whatever you want. You can change your color, you can here, I'll just add a couple things just so we have something. I'm just going to put a dumb circle on here, and then you can change your font, you can change your color, etc. Keep in mind how expensive these are too. Don't make a shirt that's crazy expensive, but we have some money in our budget here. Everyone will get a shirt. You guys will not have to pay for this. So once your shirt is totally designed, and remember you can do the back too, so back and front. This is how you need to turn it in to me. So you're going to go to Save and Share. For your design name, please do your first name and your initial. So again, your first name and your initial, and then you can just email it to yourself here. And once you click Save, it'll, oh, I already designed one. Okay, I'm going to do a fake name. I already made this as my name. I'm going to do my brother's name. Email it to yourself just for like a backup in case something gets weird. But your name, your first initial, and then once you save it, it'll bring up this, and this is what I want you to send to me. So copy and paste this, or copy it, and then either send this link to me in a remind message or an email. So that is how you turn in your assignment. Again, watch this video if you need to review, but you will take this link and send it to me in an email or remind message. Make sure you do that by Friday at midnight. And that is how you turn that in. Thank you.